But no growth, no progress, no transformation comes from staying comfortable. You have to be willing to be uncomfortable and lean in the face of being uncomfortable. And that's where the growth happens. So anyway, point being, oftentimes, you may have two people who are married. I'm thinking of some friends of ours, probably not you if you think it's you, who, they both had a father that was absent or left the family at a relatively early age. And in that case, a therapist who's a male, who's married, who has children, and they're all happily married and they live together and have a good, solid family, would be an excellent therapist, because that's somebody who can model the healthy relationship with a paternal figure that they were lacking in their own father. And that allows them to then heal that relationship. So picking your therapist is more than just, someone with a lot of good credentials. You have to think about where the breakdown was in your own childhood and look for someone who can help you complete that breakdown. Is that, do you align with all that?
Yes. Are you satisfied with?
With number one, yes. Proceed.
Okay, number two. Be very intentional about what you're exposing your child to when it comes to outside media. Okay, we have an agreed upon list, where I keep in my notes on my phone of what our 4-year-old is, going to be exposed to, what shows he's allowed to watch, and what shows our 8-year-old is allowed to watch. And we have a framework around, when we watch TV. We don't usually watch TV during the week, but they have a certain amount of hours, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Except Mr. Rogers.
Except Mr. Rogers, yeah. And we are with them. So they're not, randomly scrolling or going through YouTube, even YouTube Kids. We are with them when we're consuming that media. And when, the boys...
And just a resource, by the way. Actually, finish what you're going to say, but then when you're done, I want to add.
Okay. All right. So we do have a list that we agree on the shows. And I would invite you to really take a look at anything that has come out post, you'd say
2016. 2016, 2017 is like the last year where this stuff was okay. I feel like I said, Coco to me, which I think was like early 2016, early 2017. Don't quote me on that. But to me, that's, when I look at it, stuff 2016 and before was pretty good. After that is suspect.
Okay. And some resources that you can research yourself. Some resources are Common Sense Media.
Yeah, that was the one I was going to mention. So commonsensemedia.org they're sort of a nonprofit review site, and it allows you to really go in. And here's the thing, they're going to look at it from a child development perspective, and they're going to put their number on there. They don't get into a lot of the culture war stuff in their ranking. So what you then have to look at is, based on your family values, you need to go into the parent reviews and the children reviews. Because a lot of times those are more reflective of the reality of when you should really be exposing that to your child, is what the parents say, and what the kids say is oftentimes reflective of that. Usually the kids go like 1 year younger than the parents typically. But I, especially for anything from 2016 onward, I scrutinize those parent reviews, because the parents usually call it like it is. And, then I would just say, when it comes to the questions around culture, specifically in terms of inclusivity and gender theory, they have a whole tab that they do on representation. And that representation tab will usually tell you what kinds of genders and sexualities and that kind of thing are represented in that particular show. And then you can make a choice about whether that is a good fit for your family or not. But it's not always immediately reflected in the age ranking for the show. So just, basically, but if you learn to use the site, it can be an extremely useful tool, I find.
Okay. Are you ready for 3?
Ready for 3.
All right. Number 3 is, be very intentional about what environment you're putting your child into for 7 hours or more a day.